come home, but Elsa was too scared that she would hurt more people. As the sisters argued, an ice wave of magic burst from Elsa's body and struck Anna in the chest. Anna wouldn't leave without her sister. Elsa knew what she had to do. She used her magic to create a gas snowman to chase Anna and her friends out the palace. The snowman chased them toward a steep cliff. Kristoff thought they could jump, saying, "There is 20 feet of fresh powder down there. It will be like landing on a pillow, hopefully." The friends landed safely below. They had escaped from the snowman, but Anna had other things to worry about. Anna's hair was tawny, snowy white. Kristoff brought Anna to the trolls. One troll told them that unless Elsa's magic was reversed, Anna would be frozen solid. Only an act of true love could thaw a frozen heart. Anna knew she loved Hans. Maybe a kiss from him would work. As the friends married toward Arendelle, Anna began to shiver. Kristoff was worried about her. She was starting to care for Anna. Hans and his soldiers had just arrived at the ice place and attacked Elsa. They brought her back to Arendelle and threw her in their danger. When Anna arrived in Arendelle, she asked Hans to save her with a kiss, but Hans refused. He had only pretended to love her. He wanted to take over Arendelle by getting rid of Anna and Elsa. Hans left Anna alone and shivering. Olaf found her and helped her warm up by the fire, but Anna was getting weaker and weaker. Olaf glanced out the window and saw Kristoff reach toward the castle. "There is your act of true love right there," said Olaf. Kristoff was the one Anna needed to kiss. With the last of her strength, Anna struggled outside. Elsa had escaped from the dungeon, but Hans was close behind her. Hans told Elsa that her magic blessed Anna's heart. "I tried so to save her," he said, but it was too late. Elsa collapsed in the snow and closed her eyes. Everything she had done to protect her sister had failed. Nearby, Anna was hurrying toward Kristoff when she heard Hans throw his sword. She turned and saw her sister Elsa was in danger. Instead of saving herself, Anna leaped in front of her sister, crying, "No!" Hans swung his sword, but it chattered against Anna's frozen body. She had turned to salt ice. Elsa clutched her sister. "Oh, Anna, no, please, no." Suddenly, Anna began to sob. Her arms warm again reached around Elsa, and the two sisters hugged. As Olaf watched them, he remembered what the wise old troll had said. An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart. Anna's love for Elsa had saved both of them and the kingdom. The two sisters were best friends again, and summer had returned to Arendelle. Elsa even made Olaf a tiny snow cloud to keep him from falling. Elsa had a surprise for Anna. The castle gates were wide open. We are never closing them again, she said. Now everything was the way it was supposed to be.